If Facebook is showing an error code 500, don't panic. This is usually a server-side issue, which means the problem is often temporary and can sometimes fix itself. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes you can try right now to get Facebook working again. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. First, try refreshing the page. On your computer, you can press F5 or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes a simple reload is enough to reconnect you to Facebook's servers and clear a temporary glitch. If the page still doesn't load, wait for a little while and try again. In some cases, the issue is on Facebook's side, and giving it a few minutes can solve the problem automatically. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to log out of Facebook and then log back in. This can help reset your session and clear minor account or connection errors. To do that, sign out completely, close the browser if needed, and then open Facebook again and log in with your account. After that, check whether the error code 500 is gone. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to try is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Facebook loading properly. In your browser, go to Settings, then Privacy, and look for Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear the browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try opening Facebook again. This step often fixes loading problems, login issues, and other strange errors. If you use Facebook on your phone, the same idea applies. You can close the app completely, wait a moment, and reopen it. If needed, log out and sign back in, or clear the app cache from your device settings. A fresh session can often resolve the error if the issue is caused by a temporary app or browser problem. If none of these steps work, the error may still be on Facebook's end, so the best option is to wait and try again later. Large platforms like Facebook sometimes have brief outages, and those issues are usually fixed without anything needing to be changed on your device. So to recap, refresh the page, wait a bit if needed, log out and back in, and clear your browser cache and cookies. Those are the main fixes for Facebook error code 500, and in many cases, they're all you need. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this one.